Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips and we will be checking it out right here in this video. If you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash and we will be checking this out right here right away. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, if you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. So this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. It is a custom made indicator. Okay, so guys, if you should notice, after getting to this particular support zone, this actually went on uptrend and got to this resistance region, was unable to break out from there. So this has been moving from this region to this region. If you should notice, you can see go there at this point, came back down, went back up, came back down, went back up, and of course it's coming down at the moment. So this is still on downtrend and might need to stop at this point. And of course, if it breaks up below it, it will sell more. If it does not, it will go back up again till it get to this region. Okay, so this is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so it is a sell at the moment. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999. This started an uptrend right from here and it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, give us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and it has been selling right from there. Okay, so and of course just add a little pullback after getting to this TP, and of course it will be going down there again to sell more. So I still believe this is still going to give us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out the next asset, which is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. These have been on buy trend for a very long time. We gave out this signal yesterday, and of course, it's still going at the moment. You can see it is still buying, and of course, it is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. That is when it's going to sell. Okay, so, but for now, it is still buying. Next asset is going to be PainX 999. This is PainX 999. This started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and you can see it selling. And of course, it kicked out from all the TPs, which we actually gained earlier. And of course, it is still selling, and it has gotten to this particular spot, which happened to be a major support zone. Okay, if it breaks out above this resistance region, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will come back down and see if it can break out from here and even buy more. I mean, sell more till it get to this particular spot. I expect it to get to this particular spot, but that is if it cannot break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we need to watch out for that. Okay, so at the moment it is buying, but this might not be for a very long time in case it's unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, starting from this support zone, and you can see it has been buying and buying and buying, and it is still buying at the moment because it's just broke out from a resistance zone, so it is still buying, heading towards the next resistance zone to see if it can change the direction of the trend right from there. But for now, it is still buying. Okay, so watch out for all the necessary signals before you jump into the trade. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family.